Is the price magnet. Where there's liquidity, the price will always come to the zones so that it can do what? It can neutralize all the stop losses. But with an imbalance, an imbalance is simply a gap, which means it's either we take an imbalance or we use an imbalance.
Come and fall through. Yeah. Gotta kalima. Yeah, I just know the blessings coming fall through. Sale bare leka reba palela. Kalema, sale bare halela. Mudimo so resourceful. I just hit a lick to get a walk through. Tell me what you gon' do. Look. Me and my dogs, we all got common goals. Tryna size me up like we some common folk. We solid gold, you tweaking dog. Clouds that look like 90, yeah, that's all the sauce. Drip on, don't care what it really costs. Just grab it all, I like it, then I cop it. Ain't it something, ain't it special? And lately I see blessings, I got peace in my possession. Never losses, only lessons. All this I could get to stacking. Not convinced we're coming second. I need one, and all these dancers, they need ones. Only time before we on. Even heathens talk to God, but he been busy. I get timid, I get ish. I've been lost, forgot my ways, I needed change. But I'm back and so uncouth, and that's my brand and that's my truth. That's my fighter, no more spinning within the cycle. No survival, no asylums. I need peace of mind and silence. We gon' catch it, that's a promise. That's on me, that's on blessings, that's on God. Beat the slums, I walk through fire, now we on, we up, we on. I just know the blessings coming fall through. Sale bare leka reba palela. Kalema, sale bare halela. Mudimo so resourceful. I just hit a lick to get a walk through. Tell me what you gon' do. I just know the blessings coming fall
Say MJ. Away. Derek, what's the word of the day?
Word of the day.
Yeah.
Word of the day, go on like that. Do everything silently. Because when you do everything silently, these niggas, they don't know when to attack you, my guy. Yeah.
Phineas, what's the word of the day?
You know the vibes.
What's the word of the day, my boy?
Word of the day. Doing everything at your own pace. This guy's your pleasure. What time is the best?
Away.
They toes too, they know. Soon as I touch this mic, it's go, and that's just law. Viper room with a 10 named Betsy. I'm so anti, but she's so active. So let's get it. Life been cold, it made me savage. Took that pain and it made these slappers. That's just lavish, that's just us. Dry my tears in a Henny cup, and no more dash when you go re-up. Fly back home, just get in touch. What's up? Love is all I ask, cause I seen none of that in my past. It's like I'm cursed, got immune to all this hurt. I keep it moving, keep it grooving, keep it inside. The ones around me probably clueless, that's just life. Need my slice, need my spirit, need my healer. That's my fighter. No more spinning within this cycle. No survival, no asylums. Need my peace of mind and silence. We gon' cash it, that's a promise. That's on me, that's on blessings, that's on God. Beat the slums, I walk through fire. Now we on, we up, we on. I just know the blessings coming fall through. Sale bare leka reba palela. Kalema, sale bare halela. Mudimo so resourceful. I just hit a lick to get a walk through. Tell me what you gon' do. I just know the blessings coming fall through. Sale bare leka reba palela. Kalema, sale bare halela. Mudimo so resourceful. I just hit a lick